Hello, this is Lyle Alexander. Today, I want to talk to you about my $1 business. With my $1 business, it's just $1 a month. But look what you get. With my $1 business, you have, you'll receive $400 in grocery and non-food coupons. You receive apps that help you save money and make money. You receive powerful personal development modules. You receive a full business and automated system. Worst case, you'll pay $1 and you can save hundreds. Can you live with that? Are you willing to risk $1 a month? In the best case scenario, you refer two people for $1. You earn 25 cents per referral. You build commissions and be able to take some things and earn up to $10,000 a month with a $1 program. So I want to show you what can happen here. Your $1 a month gets you into the phase 1 commissions, and then they roll you into the phase 2 and the phase 3 and the phase 4. And these are monthly income. So with $1 a month with my $1 business, how many people do you think you can bring in for $1 a month? Come along with us. Have a great day.